My name is Egbert Niels from University of Amsterdam, and 2 years ago we first heard of the ABC workshop in London. A group of people from UvA visited UCL, and since then we have the workshop in our own organization. And it's interesting because the workshop is, for me, it's a beautiful conversational tool that I can use with teachers that want to change something about their education, about the curriculums. This is a heavy process. You have to do a lot, and the workshop gives a chance to have a light activity before doing all the heavy activities that are necessary to build a good curriculum. So for us, it's really a conversational tool. For me, the workshop works really well because it really takes the teachers out of their normal sphere. I purposely not ask them to bring all their learning goals. I ask them to reference or check what their course should be about. But the whole point of doing the ABC workshop is to brainstorm and to find new ideas to implement technology or to not implement technology in your education. But at least think about the possibilities that there are. What do I have to say more about the ABC course in Amsterdam? Sometimes it's difficult. I work at an organization with 8 different faculties, and they all have their own characters. They speak their own languages. They have their own views on education, and the workshop is like a prefixed model. So there's some difference in the way that it's received in the different faculties. Some faculties care a lot about taxonomy of Bloom, for example, and then the workshop is not really suited. But as I already said, this is only a problem in some of our, this is only an issue in some of our faculties. And we made some changes to the materials that deal with these differences so that we can use it throughout the UvA. The project helps us to further develop the materials. As I already told, it is kind of a challenge to get one product suited for all different faculties of University of Amsterdam. And in the project, I get a lot of inspiration from our other European partners who are doing all kinds of different stuff, and sometimes I can say, hey, this is interesting for this particular faculty, and this is interesting for another faculty. I think this might be working over there. So it gives me a lot of ideas, new ideas on how to use the workshop in our organization.